I'm Brittany with WTI, and this pouch is going to surprise you.
Because it turns into a puffer jacket. That's right, this is ZMC's women's packable puffer jacket. It is water and wind resistant, and it is beautiful. I love that it's long, so it's going to give me the extra warmth that I need when it starts getting chilly. I loved the pockets that they zip up, especially if it is raining. And then you have a pocket on the inside so that you can put anything that you need to be able to have easy access and also to protect it from possible bad weather. The material is so beautiful and well made. I loved the hood because usually my ears do get cold easily. It kind of has a mummy sleeping bag feel to it, so it really hugs around my face and gives me that extra warmth and cozy feeling. We went backpacking and stayed at Tangle Blue Lake, and it was perfect because at night and in the early mornings it was definitely cold. So this helps you get moving in the morning for all the day's activities. And like you saw from the beginning, it's so easy to roll up, slip into the hood, and then slide it into the bag that it comes with. And I found it was very easy to slide this into the side pocket of my backpacking backpack. I really loved the color and the look because my husband and I love to match, and it matched his coat perfectly.
And that's my point of view.